Hi, Samuel Leeds here, and in this video I wanted to explain how you can get direct deals from estate agents. Particularly, I'm talking about lease option agreements, rent-to-rent, no money down deals. If that's you, stay tuned. So on our Facebook group, I just get people asking me all the time. They've never attended the crash course, they've never attended any training, but they keep asking me, how do you get deals from estate agents? How do you get them to understand rent-to-rents? How do you get them to understand lease option agreements? I've spoken to 10 agents and I've been rejected by them all. What do we do? What do we do? And the problem is their strategy is wrong, because if you try and get a lease option agreement from an estate agent, it's just not going to happen. Unless you're extremely good at communicating yourself and you've got dogged resistance and determination and can keep going and don't mind being told no and getting rejected time and time again, you're really going to struggle doing that. It's just a bad strategy, because let me tell you why it's a bad strategy. I used to be an estate agent, and estate agents, they're not property experts, they're just salespeople that happen to sell property. And they sell property in a particular way. And when you come along, someone that they don't know, they don't like, they don't trust, just someone comes along and says, I'm looking to buy property. Oh, but I don't want to do it your way. I want to do it like this. It's called rent to rent. It's called lease option agreement. You're just going to annoy them. You're just going to confuse them, irritate them, and they're not going to want to know. So let me explain what to do instead. Instead of trying to get deals from direct from agents, what I did, and as I say, I used to be an estate agent. I did it for 3 months just to gain experience and to make friends. I know it's sad, but best investment is yourself. So what you want to do is you want to find properties that are, lend themselves well to be a rent-to-rent or a lease option agreement, and we cover all this stuff on training. So if you haven't come to the crash course, by the way, don't even bother. Just stop watching this video and go and book on to the Property Investors Crash Course. We go through all this in great detail. But what you want to do is you want to find a good property that lends itself well to a no money down deal. Rather than going to the agent and saying, this is what we're looking for, find the deals and then go direct to vendor. So you cut the estate agent out. Now, we go through how to do that at the crash course. You might think that's unethical. You might think, but if we cut the estate agent out, then they're going to lose their fee. And that's the only thing they're going to be bothered about, losing their fee. But what you're going to do is you're going to cut them out and go direct to the vendor. And if the deal comes off and you're successful, if the deal doesn't come off, you've not cost or lost the agent anything. If the deal comes off, only then is the estate agent going to be out of pocket. So you're going direct to vendors. If the deal comes off, you've got a house with no money for free. Congratulations, you did it. A proportion of that, you should then go back to the agent and offer to pay the agent's fee. And just say, look, agent, I'm really sorry. I bought this property which was on with you. And to be honest, if you hadn't have marketed it, I probably wouldn't have known it existed. And because of me, it's now off the market and I feel quite bad. Would there be any way I could pay your fee to compensate what's happened? Now think about this. Not only is that ethical, number one, but also number two, it works and you're going to get more deals. But also, number three, this is the icing on the cake. When you do it that way, it's ethical, it works, but also the estate agent is going to be thinking, well, I didn't do anything in this and the house is now off the market and we've been paid and I haven't done anything. It suddenly flips the cards, and then the estate agent will become your best deal sourcing machine, and they will work for free as long as they get their fees paid, which is nothing in the grand scheme of things. That's how some of my students, after they've gone on the training, are getting themselves 2, 3, 4, 5 property deals without spending any money by doing it on a lease option agreement or a rent to rent or whatever. They are doing it because they're working with estate agents this way. That's the smart way. That's the right way around. So hope you found that helpful. So please stop falling out with estate agents. Stop getting rejected over and over. You don't need to do that. So you can either be the kind of person that just does it your way and gets rejected. You might get there in the end, but you're going to have so many scars and stab wounds from all the rejection and the hardships and crawling over glass. Or you can just learn to do it the right way, make money, get financially free, and do it ethically and don't upset anybody. I would choose the latter. Hope to see you in training. God bless you. Have a great week. Thank you so much for watching. If you benefited from that video, please do share it with your family and friends. For more videos like it, you can watch right here. And if you'd like to spend 2 days with me at the Property Investors Crash Course, watch this video, see what happens. But whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe right here, and I'll see you next time.